Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world. So, look here, boys and girls. CompTIA Linux Plus has finally released an exam that is performance based, right? So, they still are stuck on their multiple choice groups. That's fine. It's hard to get away from completely 100% for some companies to transition. So, at least now it has a performance based component. So, let's take a look, right? So, now you have version 8, which is a new version of the Linux Plus, right? Which I think is awesome. Me personally, any Linux exam or any kind of technology exam that's using actual hands-on, to me personally, should be performance-based. When you have multiple choice, it initiates a lot of cheating and a lot of other problems that happen when you have people who can basically download or share questions, etc. So that's why I really believe in performance and practical based exams. But this is a good start, right? So this is the new exam, version 8, okay? And as you can see down here, they have the system management, 23%, services and user management, et cetera, and troubleshooting, right? Now, this gets into the different resources that are available, et cetera. This is the marketing stuff for the Linux Plus, which has not changed, right? So you'll notice that when you go to the CompTIA website and you click on certifications and you click on go down and you go to Linux Plus, you're going to be presented with two options, right? Version 7, which is retiring, I wouldn't even bother taking that exam, and version 8, which is the new one, right? So go ahead and click there. And let's take a look here. Okay, Open remains is available until January 13th. Just forget it. It's over, right? So now version 8. And I'm actually going to take this one. So it's awesome that they're doing practical. So I have a thing against multiple choice exams, but now that they're adding a practical component, I actually will take this certification exam just to see how it is, right? Now, LabX, right? So LabX, go ahead and log in. They have a free edition and they have a paid edition. Just go ahead and get the paid edition if you can afford it, right? Now, they have an option for CompTIA Linux Plus. Now, doesn't look like, okay, here we go, CompTIA. Okay, there you go, the CompTIA labs. These are hands-on labs. So essentially what you do when you get started, right, is you go ahead and click here and start learning. Right now, LabX does have, and it's a really good platform, right? If you don't want to spend a bunch of money or set up your own labs, et cetera, what you can set up your own labs, but the pricing for a whole year is $99. For 2 years, it's $149, and this is in US dollars if you can afford it. If you cannot afford it, then no problem. What you should do is you should go here to Oracle VirtualBox. They still have VMware Workstation, but ever since they've been taken over by the new company, they've been a little bit of a pain to deal with sometimes, right? Which is Broadcom. So downloading from Broadcom can be a headache. So you can go to the download Workstation Pro, which is free, right? But then you have to go through all this, jumping through hoops and get to the website, go to the support website, log in. And then after you log in, then try to get, they don't make it super easy to actually get to it. Let's go ahead and just log in. See, this is the stupidity that I'm talking about with Broadcom, right? And Broadcom, seriously, you need to do something with your accounts and your support portal. So this has happened multiple times where the account was locked for whatever reason, which I don't know. I don't have time to sit there playing with Broadcom and what used to be the great and mighty VMware. So anyway, so now you have VirtualBox, and as you can see or may not see, I'm actually running on Linux. So you can go to download, you go to your Linux distribution, whatever it is, go to my 24.04, which is the long-term release, download and install the operating system. You can go ahead and get it set up on Ubuntu or Rocky Linux and go ahead and run through the test questions and testing and simulations and do everything on your local machine, right? Especially if you don't have a good internet connection, then it's actually great to actually walk through it step by step on a local machine, right? If you have the ability to do that. But if you just have a web browser, you're sharing a computer or the computer's not yours or you're in school or something like that or at work, whatever, then this is a great option for you to be able to run through training and learn with LabX, right? Go ahead and click on terminal. It'll launch you a terminal, and boom, you're in, right? So you just walk through step by step what it's asking. It'll walk you through, explain some things, and it'll say, hey, go ahead and do this particular command or this particular issue, etc. And just kind of walk through step by step, copy and paste, etc. So it just walks you through and explains everything from beginning all the way to being prepared for the exam, right? And that's LabX. Now, also the other side is downloading a guide and going ahead and let's take, for example, you want to go to the study guides. So the study guides for LabX, this website is new, right? So let's do study guides, CompTIA, Linux Plus V8, version 8, right? You want to get the actual, and it looks like it's just taking me to the marketing page again. All right, let's see. Yep, which is the marketing page again? Find training resources, explore bundles. Okay, this is the study guide from 2025, but it doesn't specifically, okay, it's got the marketing here. They're just basically selling their Cert Master stuff, right? Okay. So this is going back, this is version 8. So I got to take a look at some of the CompTIA resources that are for resellers and look at what's available for the public. And then I'll see what's something that can be study guides available for the public and go ahead and possibly post that into this link below. So good exam, good update, CompTIA, good good job on you guys actually making the practical part of the exam. But if you're going to take the exam, want to go ahead and get ready, go ahead and sign up and get ready to go. Download the local version of Oracle VirtualBox and get set up. You can use LabX to go through the labs and get yourself ready to go and take the new exam. All right. Talk to you soon.